Breathe in. Slow motion. We fly. Golden beaches under skies. Mountains reaching where the horizon lies. Gentle waves, the wind soft sound. Every view, a world we found. Sunlight dancing on the trees. Salted air, the ocean breeze. Time is quiet, hearts at ease. We just drift, we just breathe. No rush, no plan, no need to move. Every moment is a groove. Floating high between the skies. Feeling calm, feeling alive. We're flying over paradise. Soft winds, open skies. Lost in light and color. Vacation in our eyes. We're flying over hidden lands. Mountains, beaches, seas. Chill out, let the rhythm move us with the breeze. Rivers weaving through the green. Sunset colors, golden sheen. Every corner tells a story of this endless quiet glory. Barefoot moments, open space. Every turn, a new embrace. Let the world move underneath. We just sway with every beat. No maps, no lines, just drifting free. Every frame a memory. Sky above and earth below. This is how the moments flow. We're flying over paradise. Soft winds, open skies. Lost in light and color. Vacation in our eyes. We're flying over hidden lands. Mountains, beaches, seas. Chill out, let the rhythm move us with the breeze. Close your eyes. Feel the sun. Hear the waves. Let it run. We're flying over paradise. Floating slow, no need to hide. Every view a perfect picture. And enjoy the ride. Above the beaches, mountains high. Let it go. lights on your skin. Midnight breathing, pull me in. I don't know your name, don't need to know. Your silence tells me where to go. Slow motion, hearts collide. No truth to hide, no place to lie. I trust you in the dark. I trust you in the dark. Beautiful stranger, don't say a word. I trust you in the dark. Hands like fire, eyes like rain. Every touch removes the pain. No tomorrow, just this sound. Lost together, safely found. Feel the bass under our skin. Let the moment pull us in. I trust you in the dark. I trust you in the dark. Beautiful stranger, don't say a word. I trust you in the dark. No names, no past. Just now, just now, just now. I trust you in the dark.